If you are seeing an error like this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam, it means WhatsApp has likely flagged your account for violating its terms of service. But don't worry, here is how you can try to recover it. First, don't try to create a new account immediately. Instead, open WhatsApp and tap the Support or Contact Us option on the screen showing the error. Explain briefly that your account was restricted and request a review. Stay polite and clear. If you believe it was a mistake, say so. WhatsApp reviews many appeals and sometimes unbans accounts. Next, send an email directly to this email, like accessibility at support.whatsapp.com from the same email link to your phone number. Include your phone number in full international format like +1 or whatever your country code is and explain the issue again. While waiting, avoid reinstalling the app multiple times or switching devices. It can delay the process. WhatsApp usually responds within 48 hours. If your appeal is successful, you will get access back. If not, you might need to create a new account but use it carefully to avoid future bans. And that's how you can try to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp error. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp fixes and many more.